Welcome, friends. Today we continue our C1 journey. Our lesson is called Expressing Evaluation, Judging Quality, Value, and Importance. At C1 level, we can go beyond describing facts. We can evaluate, we can judge quality, value, and importance with precision. This helps us in academic writing, professional reports, and thoughtful conversation. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. This is highly significant, or this is of great importance, or this is relatively minor. This is particularly valuable. This is questionable. This is of limited relevance. This is a remarkable achievement. This is a serious drawback. These are words and phrases for evaluation. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. This book is highly significant for understanding history. Her contribution is of great importance to the project. This idea is particularly valuable for future research. It is a remarkable achievement to finish the marathon. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how each phrase shows positive evaluation. At C1 level, we can also evaluate critically. Examples: this argument is questionable because of weak evidence. The result is of limited relevance to the main topic. This plan has a serious drawback. It is too expensive. The proposal is relatively minor compared to other issues. Repeat after me. This argument is questionable because of weak evidence. The result is of limited relevance to the main topic. This plan has a serious drawback. It is too expensive. The proposal is relatively minor compared to other issues. Let's imagine daily life. Morning. This coffee is particularly valuable for waking me up. Afternoon. This meeting is of limited relevance to my work. Evening. This movie is a remarkable achievement in storytelling. Repeat with me. This coffee is particularly valuable for waking me up. This meeting is of limited relevance to my work. This movie is a remarkable achievement in storytelling. At C1 level, we can use more formal evaluation language. Examples: the findings are highly significant for the academic community. The policy is of great importance for social stability. The evidence is questionable and requires further analysis. The project has a serious drawback in terms of sustainability. Repeat after me. The findings are highly significant for the academic community. The policy is of great importance for social stability. The evidence is questionable and requires further analysis. The project has a serious drawback in terms of sustainability. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of something you want to evaluate today. Say softly in your mind, I notice value with awareness. I judge importance with mindfulness. I live with balance in evaluation. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing evaluation with awareness. Today we learned our third C1 lesson, expressing evaluation, judging quality, value, and importance. We practiced vocabulary: highly significant, of great importance, questionable, of limited relevance, serious drawback, sentences showing positive and negative evaluation. Everyday practice with evaluation, formal evaluation expressions, reflection, mindfulness in judging value and importance. These sentences help us speak more clearly with evaluation, and they remind us to live mindfully by balancing praise and criticism with awareness. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.